Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farah Nabihah binti Ramlan. My partner Nabilah Amirah binti Azha. We are from to BEEC S1/2. We are going to present lab 1. Object and class. In figure 1, already given the code that we need to run in the code block, and we need to observe the output. So the question in section 1, based on figure 1, what is the class name? So we need to list the member of the class. Circle is the class name, and this member is double radius and double get area. Next question, how many class object has been created? So the class, just only one class created in the code in figure 1. The next question, write down the statement to create object from object class, which is circle C1. This is the output for the program in the figure 1. We get the radius, the output will display the radius and the area. Okay, so the next, in this lab, figure 1, the code in figure 1, we need to modify the access specifier of member data, double radius to private. So when we run the code, we get when we build the code, and that already the error. So to solve the error, we need to add new member function, which is set radius and get radius. This is the code to solve the problem. If we add a new member function, set radius and get radius. Okay, this is the code to modify the problem. Which is the code in the main function. The main function, when we add a new member function, which will set radius and get radius. So the main function we call the function. This is the output. This is the output. Same like in the code in figure 1, radius and area. Okay, next, here is the new unit to create new source file. So with the code in figure 3, we need to write in the code block. Okay, for this code, we need to write and observe the output. Okay, for the question number 9, we need to compare the program code in figure 1 and figure 3. Okay, program code in figure 1 are using public as an access specifier of member data. So that in the program code does not have to use a function to display the output. It just use a class object. Program code in figure 3 are using a private access specifier of member data. So that in this program needs to add new member function because the return the radius and radius value. It also uses this structure to delete the object created. Okay, in the block, is the full code. We need to run the review and run the code. Then we get the output radius and the area of the code. Okay, we need the next code to run. There's no error and the output is the same. Okay, next, for the next question, my partner will continue.
I'm going to explain the next question, which is we need to open a new source file, and just like before, we need to use the code given and execute it. Okay, here the difference between this section and the upper section is we are going to need to use the destructor where we will delete the object. Okay, how many constructor in the program in figure 1? Sorry, in figure 3. Okay, there is only one constructor called circle. Okay, and this is the output, just like the previous output, but the difference is there is two value, different value given, and the object has been deleted. Okay, C1, the get area return zero value. Okay, this is because in C1 there is no value passed to the constructor. That's why when we calculated, they will return the default value, which is 0. Okay. For section 2, we need to create a new program where it will return the ISBN number in string data type and the page number in integer. After that, we are going to use the constructor to initialize the value and the destructor to delete all the created object. We also need to use we also need to use the print function to call all the information and display it. Okay. Okay, this is the code for section 2. Okay, just like the previous code, we create a class called book. We use the access specifier private for the variable, and then we create the function. Okay, to set the data from the main function, to get the function back and return the new value for the output. Okay. So here, set data, string no integer page. Okay, this is the command to get the value from the for the main function here, where we create the object for the class book to pass the value string here and integer here. After that, the program will pass it here, and then it will initialize the value to the variable inside the class book, just like this. And then after that, the get now function will return the ISBN number, the new value, and also the function for get page will return the new value for the page underscore number. After that, I'm going to create the print function where it displays the output with the new value, just like this, ISBN number. This is the variable ISBN underscore number, page number, and the variable page underscore number. Okay, here because I use the string, so I need to return string type, string value, okay, which is why I use this. After that, there is this destructor to delete the object. And here is the command to call the function from the class book to display the output. And here is the output. Okay, that's all for us. Thank you.